Okay, the expressions in the figure represent the measures of the angles. Find the value of x, and we're told that these lines are parallel. So here's the idea. If these lines are parallel, then you can think of this line right here as a transversal cutting those two parallel lines. And so what we have is same side interior angles. Same side interior angles and same side interior angles are going to be supplementary. So what we can do is say, okay, well then we've got 4x plus 2x plus 12 equaling 180 degrees. Or 6x plus 12 equals 180 degrees. And we subtract 12 from both sides. 6x plus 12, what's already there? Minus 12 equals 180 minus 12. And we get 6x is equal to 168. And we divide both sides by 6. We get x equals, let's see, 6 goes into 16, 2 times, that's 12, so there's 4 left at 48. 6 goes into 48, 8 times, so x equals 28 degrees. That's how you do it.